Okay, guys, we will start today's lecture. The topic which we are studying is Final Accounts CBSE Board, chapter number 2. And before starting today's topic, let us discuss what all topics which we have covered till now. We have covered basics of final accounts, or not final accounts, sorry, basics of partnership. So, what is partnership deed? What are the provisions in the absence of partnership deed? We have studied. What partnership deed is, importance of partnership deed, we have studied. Then we have studied P&L appropriation account, and we have studied the format of profit and loss appropriation account. What is the difference between profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account? And in okay, next point number 3 that we have discussed is calculation of interest on capital, if you remember. So interest on capital, when it will be charged, when it will be appropriation, we have solved illustrations on that. Very important topic this is also. Fourth topic from this chapter which is important is calculation of interest on drawings. How would you calculate interest on drawings? And we have seen various cases. We have seen the product method where interest drawings are made during not a particular dates, fixed difference between the drawings is not fixed dates between days between the drawings is not there. So how we will calculate the interest? Then we have seen monthly, beginning of the month, mid of the month, end of the month, how we will calculate the period in that cases. And I have told you how will you calculate months left after first drawings plus months left after last drawings divided by 2. So this will be applicable where there is fixed period between the drawings, where drawings are made either monthly, or we have solved one illustration where drawings were made on quarterly basis, right? Beginning of the month or beginning of the quarter, mid of the month or mid of the quarter, end of the month or end of the quarter. So there very important thing is you should be able to calculate the period. Please remember this formula, very important. Now next topic, and I would say most important topic from this chapter, is past adjustments. Today we will try to understand basic concept of what past adjustment is. Then I will explain you only one illustration of past adjustment in the morning lecture. Then I will give you one homework so that you will do at home, and in our evening class we will solve two more illustrations on past adjustments, and this topic we will close. Okay, after that there is only one topic which we will discuss, and that is guarantee of profit to a partner or to a manager, guarantee of profit. Okay, and then this chapter is closed. So let's start guys with the topic past adjustments. See guys, let's take a scenario. For example, A, B and C were partners. Okay, and they prepared final accounts for the year 2019, year end 2019 means 2018-19. They made final accounts. Okay, and on 31st March 2019 they closed their books of accounts. Now we know what books of accounts is: profit and loss, trading, profit and loss, balance sheet. They closed it. And you know what, after closing this book, please listen very carefully and try to understand guys. Okay, you know what happened in this case? After closing their books of accounts on 31st March 2019, when next year started, means next year will start from when? 1st April. So when next year started from 1st April, they found certain omissions or mistakes they made in last year accounts. Means when they made final accounts of last year, for example, they forgot few things, or they made some errors in their accounts, previous year accounts. So what will they do? In the next year they will make some adjustments. So this word is here, adjustments. So they will make some adjustments, but which adjustment they will make? They will make past adjustments. So what are past adjustments? So past adjustments, when you make adjustments of past period, historical final accounts, that is called past adjustments. Now I hope you understood what we are going to study. Now see guys, I have made some notes for you for easy reference. If you will refer only these notes, more than sufficient. So how I have tried to make it in a simple manner is, past adjustment entries are passed in case partnership firm. See here, partnership firm is because we are studying partnership. So past adjustment entries are passed in case partnership firm क्या हो सकता है, what can happen? First, there is a possibility made errors in previous year's financial statement. So जब उन्होंने previous year, when they made previous year financial statement, they made errors. Now you might ask me, sir, what kind of errors they might make? See guys, I will tell you one example. A, B and C were partners. Okay, B was entitled to get salary. Okay, last year, previous year, salary of 10,000 per month. Okay, but you know what, he is paid salary only at the rate 5,000 per month. So he was supposed at, if at the rate 10,000 he will get for 1 year, he will get 1.2 lakhs, 1,20,000, but he got only, you know how much, 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees. So this is an error. Okay, so this is an error. Next, made any omission in the previous house. So either error is made or omission is made. See now, what is omission? For example, C is a partner. He was supposed to get a commission of 5% on sales. Okay guys, so he was eligible to get commission of 5% on sales. But what happened, you know, when they made prepared accounts of previous year, they forgot to give commission to C. So when they forgot to give commission to C, what has happened? Their accounts are wrong. Last year accounts are wrong. So can you go to previous year accounts and make corrections there? No, you cannot do that. So what you can do? For next year, you will make some adjustments related to past. Okay, so that is called past adjustments. Point number 1. See guys, past adjustment entries are passed in case partnership firm. Number C, you know what, in CBSE, you know, you should not be surprised if they ask you theory question for 2 marks. They might ask you for 1 mark, 2 marks, or even sometimes they ask for 3 marks. What do you understand by past adjustments? So what all students they have done, they have solved illustrations, but they have not understood the logic. They are not able to write the answer. So please, very simple format I have tried to give you. So please guys, try to understand and write the answer in your words. So made any omissions in previous year. Now this is point number 1. Next, these errors can be rectified by passing an adjustment entry. Passing, I am very sorry, this is passing an, and nahi hai ye, an hai. Passing an adjustment entry. So what you have to do, see this point is also important. What you have to do is, before passing adjustment entry, you have to prepare an analytical table. So what is that analytical table? I will explain you in today's lecture. You please focus and try to understand. And when I will give you today's homework, you please sincerely do that guys and send it to me through WhatsApp so that I can check. So please close it today itself. Let's see. We will try to understand past adjustments. We will take only one illustration and I will try to explain you in detail. Let's read our illustration. Illustration number 1. Karan and Arjun are partners. Okay, in a firm, sharing profits and losses. I have always told you, you should underline some important data points. Partners, Karan and Arjun, profit sharing ratio 1:1. Following was the balance sheet of the firm on, underline this, which, what is the period? 31st March 2020. बेटे ये है करण, ये है अर्जुन, दो बंदे, दोनों का प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो है 1:1, PSR, प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, एंड दे हैव गिवन अस द बैलेंस शीट. कब का बैलेंस शीट है? यू हैव टू make a note of it, of 31st March 2020 balance sheet. Karan's capital 80,000, Arjun's capital 80,000, and total assets, sundry assets are of 1,60,000. Now what further? See guys, profit rupees 70,000 for the year 31st March 2020 was divided between the partners. तो करण को भी प्रॉफिट दे दिया and Arjun also got his share of profit. So total is 70,000 rupees profit. They are equal partners. So how much Karan got? 35,000 is K. He is A. Karan, Arjun, and he also got 35,000. Okay, perfectly fine. Both of them, they got the profit also. That is our working between the. But see here, guys, divided between the partners. This is important. Without allowing, remember this, beta. Without allowing interest on capital and salary. Okay, so interest on capital, both were allowed to get interest on capital, but previous year, last year, they forgot. They did not calculate interest on capital. And Karan was also entitled for salary of 1,500 per month. So Karan did not get his salary also. So these two, interest on capital and salary, we missed in our previous year preparation of final accounts. And after missing both these items, the profit is 35,000. So try to understand one thing very carefully, is that, see guys, 70,000 is the profit, and suppose if we would have paid interest to capital and salary to Karan, the profit would have been 70,000. No, profit would have been reduced. So let us try to understand. Karan's capital is 80,000. So 10%, no, but this capital is when 31st March. So in this case, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the opening capital, because interest on
हेलो
capital.
सर.
Yeah.
सर कोई रिमूव कर रहा है सर. 3 बार हो गया सर. मैं आ रहा हूँ, कोई रिमूव कर रहा है
Pardon, please.
सर. कोई रिमूव कर रहा है सर. बार सर मैं 3 बार ऑनलाइन आया, बार निकाल दे रहा हूँ. इसके बाद सर कुछ रिमूव कर
Guys,
देते.
guys, guys, please. यार मैं पकड़ लेना है ना, कौन ये रिमूव वगैरह कर रहा है, उसको मैं रिमूव ही कर देना है फिर हमेशा के लिए. प्लीज ये सब मत करो यार. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स वी आर स्टडिंग, और आपका 12th स्टैंडर्ड है. प्लीज बी सीरियस है. ओके, देखो बेटा, प्रॉफिट 70,000 है. ओके, एंड वी डिड नॉट पे इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. सी बेटा, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. This balance sheet is given to us of which date? 31st March 2020. Okay, and capital जो है ये 31st March 2020 का है. But if we have to pay interest on capital to partners 10%, वो कौन सा capital होगा? That will be opening capital. Opening capital. See guys, try to understand this balance sheet and this capital. See, this capital is closing capital, because when your capital is given of 31st March, that is your closing capital. Okay, and when you will pay interest to partners, that you will pay interest on which capital? Not on closing capital, but please remember this, that you will pay on opening capital. So always remember, when you are given capital of closing capital, year end capital, in that case first you calculate their opening capital, then and then only you will be able to calculate the interest. So let us start calculation of opening capital. So for your reference, I have already made the format. See here, calculation of opening capital. How we will calculate their opening capital? देखो बेटा, try to understand. This is our 1 year, 31st March 2020. Karan and Arjun. Karan's capital on this date is 80,000 and Arjun's capital is also 80,000. Right. Now this is closing capital. This is closing capital. We cannot calculate interest on closing capital. We have to calculate interest on opening capital. Means opening capital means what was their capital at the beginning of the year. We don't know this. See here, we don't know this. So we have closing capital. Now we will calculate. See, so we will take closing capital. Karan 80,000, Arjun 80,000. Perfectly fine. फिर हम देखेंगे, then we will see what all happened during the year. Let's see. Let's read the question once. ठीक है. Profit 70,000 for the year ended 31st March. Okay. See guys, when profit is given to them, 35,000 to Karan and 35,000 to Arjun, तो प्रॉफिट वी ऑलवेज ऐड इन द कैपिटल, तो वो प्रॉफिट ऐड हुआ होगा कैपिटल में, तो तब उनका कैपिटल भी 35,000 इंक्रीज्ड. सो इन आवर केस व्हाट वी विल डू, बिकॉज वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द ओपनिंग कैपिटल, so this closing capital will include the profit, so we will deduct profit, so less profit. So profit was how much? They were equal partners, 35,000 and 35,000 rupees. गाइस प्लीज पढ़ाई पे थोड़ा फोकस करो यार. देखो बेटा, फिर हमारा बैलेंस कितना रहा? नाउ आवर बैलेंस इज here 45,000 and here 45,000. perfectly fine. ओके, प्रॉफिट हुआ था, वो प्रॉफिट हमने माइनस कर दिया, प्रॉफिट माइनस कर दिया इसमें से 80,000. फिर हम थोड़ा यहां पर पहुंच गए, फिर देखें और क्या हो गया, व्हाट फर्दर व्हाट वी कैन डू. इंटरेस्टिंग. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर करण विड्रू 15,000 एंड अर्जुन विड्रू 25,000. देखो बेटा, करण ने क्या किया, जब साल चल रहा था ओपनिंग कैपिटल के बाद करण ने क्या किया, करण एंड अर्जुन दोनों ने, करण ने एंड अर्जुन ने क्या किया, ड्राइंग्स निकाला, लेस किया पैसा. तो लेस अगर उन्होंने किया तो अभी हमको वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द ओपनिंग कैपिटल. व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ऐड दैट कैपिटल ड्राइंग्स. सो वी विल ऐड ड्राइंग्स ऑफ बोथ ड्राइंग्स करण एंड अर्जुन. Karan's drawing 15,000 and Arjun's 25,000. Okay guys, 15,000 and 25,000. Finish. There is nothing else. Done. Now the balance that we will get opening capital. What we will get beta? Opening capital. So opening capital is how much? This we are going to add 40, 50, 60,000 was Karan's opening capital and 70,000 was Arjun's opening capital. See guys, try to understand. Now let me try to explain you little more same thing in little detail with more logical understanding. Let us try to understand this way. Opening capital क्या था? See here. Opening capital beginning of the year Karan का 60,000 and Arjun का 70,000. फिर क्या हुआ? करण ने ड्राइंग्स निकाला. ड्राइंग्स कितना निकाला? 15,000 रुपीज. तो 15,000 माइनस करो. एंड अर्जुन का ड्राइंग्स कितना था? 25,000 लेस 25,000. नाउ देयर कैपिटल बिकेम हाउ मच? 45,000 and 55,000. 45 and 55,000. Then what happened during the year? They made profit. Profit of how much? 70,000 rupees. That 70,000 is distributed between both of them equally. So we added 35 here and 35 here. So at the end of the year फिर उनका कैपिटल कितना रहा? इसका 80,000 हो गया. Sorry, this is not 55. This is 45. This is also 45. Both are 45,000. What happened after that? His capital also became how much? 80,000 and 80,000. So 80,000 and 80,000 is closing capital and 60,000 and 70,000 is opening capital. If you go this way, if you have closing capital, if you go this way, you can calculate opening capital. So to calculate opening capital, what we will do, what we have done, ठीक है भाई, 80,000 was the closing capital, we deducted their profit. Okay, then we got how much? 45 and 45. Then we added their drawings and we got 60,000 and 70,000. So this way you will get your opening capital. I hope up till here you guys understood basics. Now next guys, see now someone might ask me, sir, why we have calculated this opening capital 60,000 and 70,000? Beta, we have calculated opening capital because in the question, without allowing interest on capital 10%, because we have to calculate interest on capital 10,000, that you have to calculate on opening capital only, and we were not knowing what is the opening capital, so we made this working note for calculating opening capital. Now we can calculate the interest on this amount, which will be 6,000 and 7,000. 6,000 for Karan and 7,000 for Arjun. See this. We cannot calculate interest on capital on closing because it is wrong. You do not calculate on closing capital. You calculate on opening capital. So if opening capital is not given, you have to find out the opening capital. How you will find the opening capital? You will make this statement. Okay. Next. Now we got the opening capital. Now we can start our question. Then what we will do? We will make a statement. Which statement? Table showing adjustments to be made. This one statement table we will make. See guys, this will be almost in all the questions where you have to prepare. How we will do? See here. This is a table. You know, see these bold lines, between these two bold lines I have made account. This is Karan's capital account, this is debit side and this is credit side. This is Arjun's capital account, this is debit side and this is credit side. Okay, and this is F is firm ka account. Okay, not firm account, you can look at. So firm ka, this will be debit and this will be credit side. So in one table we have made capital accounts of Karan, Arjun and firm's ka account. ठीक है, firm ka account. So here only we will show the effects. Now what will happen? This is credit side. I have told you, we have studied partners capital account. See in our study notes what we discussed, what all we have covered: basics, profit and loss, interest on capital, interest on drawings. Okay, and we have covered also this topic also, methods of capital account. Here I have explained you what is a fixed capital method, what is a fluctuating capital method. So like that only beta, we have made these small capital accounts of Karan, Arjun and. Now see what all is missing. First thing, if we will see what we have to pay them, what is missing. See the question here. 70,000 was divided between partners. See here, without allowing interest on capital. So first we will pay them interest on capital. See here. So first thing, interest on capital. So interest on capital, their opening capital is 60,000, means he will get how much? Credit side 6,000. Because credit side, why we are taking, we know in the capital accounts credit side means whatever will be added to the partner's account, that will go to credit side, 6,000. Here nothing. And Arjun is also getting interest. How much Arjun is getting? 7,000 rupees. So when Karan will get 6,000 will be credited to his account. When Arjun will get 7,000 will be credited. But to both of them, who is paying them interest? Firm is paying. So when their capital accounts will get credited, firm's account will get debited with both there, because firm is paying to both of them. So 6 plus 7, 13,000 rupees. So firm we will debit with 13,000 rupees. This is first. Okay. Now second guys, we will see what more is mentioned. During the year Karan withdrew, okay, without allowing interest on capital and salary. See these two items we forgot. So salary also we have to pay, but whom? To Karan. 1,500 per month. So at the rate 1,500 per month for the year, it will be how much? So salary. So we have to pay salary also. Salary to whom? Only to Karan. 1,500 rupees 1 month. So 12 months will be 18,000 rupees. See guys, he will get 18,000 rupees salary. So Arjun will get any salary? No, Arjun is not getting any salary. So when he will get, Karan will get 18,000 rupees, his account will be credited. But who is paying him the 18,000? Firm is paying. So firm's account will be debited 18,000. rupees. Okay, close. Now after that, so see, now try to understand, guys. This interest on capital and salary, we made a profit of 70,000. Now I would like you to focus very clearly here. This is very important. See better. Case A. Case A. What happened? We paid salary, so profit. We made profit. How much profit? 70,000 rupees. Okay. And we paid this profit to whom? Karan and Arjun. How much? Equal partners. 35,000 to him and 35,000 to. See better, try to understand now. This is most important thing. So we paid 70,000 rupees to Karan and Arjun. That was the profit. We paid them equally. But there was a mistake. This is wrong. What was the mistake? Mistake was this. We had profit of 70,000. Right. We forgot to pay interest on capital 6,000 and 7,000. How much? See, total how much interest on capital? Karan is supposed to get 6,000 and Arjun 7,000. Okay. And salary, Karan is 18,000 he is supposed to get and Arjun nothing. See, Karan was supposed to get how much? 18 plus 6, 24,000 rupees. So if we would have paid Karan 24,000 rupees for salary and interest on capital, what would have been the balance profit for distribution? So balance profit for distribution would have been 46,000 only. Okay, so Karan got how much here? 24. Okay, now then if we would have paid Arjun also interest on capital 7,000, so to this Karan, we paid him 24,000. Now if we would have paid Arjun also 6,000 rupees, now what would have been balance now? Only 40,000. And this 40,000 was to be paid to both of them equally. Means how much? 20,000 to him, Karan, and 20,000 to Arjun. So how much did Karan got total? This 20,000 plus here 24,000 also, which Karan got 24,000. So total Karan should have got how much? 44,000. And Arjun how much? 20,000 and this 6,000. So Arjun was supposed to get only 26,000 rupees. So Karan got how much? Karan got only 35,000. Karan got less 35,000. If you will deduct 9,000 rupees, he got less, and Arjun got benefit of how much? 9,000, because he got 35,000. So 9,000 he got the benefit. 9,000 rupees benefit he got. Why he got benefit? Because they forgot to deduct interest on capital and salary of Karan, which is how much? 24,000 rupees. And because of that, what happened? Profit increased, and that profit was distributed equally between Karan and Arjun. But this is the mistake they did, because Karan was supposed to get more, 24,000, and Arjun was supposed to get only interest 6,000 rupees before distributing this profit. So now what we have seen, Arjun got 9,000 rupees more and Karan got 9,000 rupees less because of this mistake. So what will be the adjustment? Past adjustment. Past adjustment would be, that adjustment we will pass in the next year. The partner who got more, his account we will debit, and the partner who got less in the previous year, his account we will credit. So Arjun's capital account debit, to Karan's capital account. How much? Whatever, 9,000 or whatever the amount will be. So this was, I was trying to explain you the logic. Now let us go to the table. So when you will do all this calculation which I just showed you, when you do all this calculation which I just showed you in a tabular form. Now see, this calculation, for this calculation we have made this table. So when you do this calculation in tabular form, that is right way of doing, and your answers will come right. Let's see now guys. After salary, now what is the loss? Total loss they made 6,000, and 18,000 is how much? So how much firm was supposed to pay them? 18,000 and 13,000 rupees. So 18 plus 13 is how much? 31,000 rupees. So this is the 31,000 rupees which firm should have debited. Lekin has the firm debited? No, because they forgot to take both these items. So now we will debit both these items. 31,000 rupees. In which ratio? They are equal partners. So out of this 31,000 rupees, to Karan and to Arjun, how much will go? 15,000. Half will be 15,500 and 15,500. So we will take towards their debit side. So that will be loss to be debited. 15,500 and 15,500 to debit side. And here we will take firms ka total 31,000. Right guys. Now we will see. Your firm debit and credit should always come equal. See, 18 plus 13 is 31. Perfectly fine. And here also 31, perfectly fine. This is same. Now see here. Arjun's capital credit side 17,000 and debit side 15,000 rupees. So how much? 15,000, not 15,000, sorry, 15,500. 15,500. So 15,500 is more, debit side is more, with how much? With what amount? 8,500. His amount is more, debit side is more. And for Karan, what has happened? Karan's here total is how much? 18 plus 6 is how much? 24. So out of 24, if you will deduct 15,500, balance will be 8,500. So what we will do? Karan's capital account we will credit 8,500 and Arjun's capital account we will debit 8,500. So what will be our adjustment entry? Adjustment entry would be Arjun's capital account debit to Karan's capital account. So adjustment entry would be like this. Your answer is only one adjustment entry. Okay. So Arjun's capital account debit to Karan's capital account. How much? 8,500. 8,500. What will be the narration? Narration will be being what we have done, what we forgot last year, being interest on capital and what? Salary which was not allowed, adjusted. We did the adjustment, and you can write RFR means refer note number. Note number means working note number 2 that we have made. Working note number 2. This working note number. Now let us go to our notes once again. See guys, this one. Something that I told you I will explain later. So these errors can be rectified by passing an adjustment entry. We passed the adjustment entry here. This is the adjustment entry. Next. This is also important guys. Please remember, before passing an adjustment entry, what is important? it is important to prepare analytical table to determine the net effect of previous year's omission and omission or error. So what he is saying, before passing adjustment entry, see what I have done. I have not passed the adjustment entry directly. This is my answer, but I have not passed it directly because I cannot pass it. Before passing this adjustment entry, what I have done, I have made a analytical table. So this analytical table. So in this analytical table, what we have done, beta, I will explain you once again. Okay, and in the evening class also I will explain. You practice this question at home. I will send you one question, very similar question through WhatsApp. You try to solve that, and then in the evening we will discuss again. So what we have done, see, you will take all those items which you have not, which you forgot. So in the question we have seen interest on capital we forgot, salary on also we forgot. So how much is this amount, and who would have got how much? So in this case, Karan was eligible to get 6,000, and Karan was also eligible to get 18,000 rupees. So we have taken whatever we forgot, and through the form we will debit because form was supposed to pay this, right? So total all what we have forgot, we will take that sum total as loss, because otherwise our profit here is 70,000 is more. This is more. So we will take the amounts which we were supposed to pay in the last year, or due to commission error we forgot, we will take that total as loss, and then what we will do, we will distribute among the partners in which ratio? Profit sharing ratio. So total of this plus this 7,000 is coming how much? 31,000. 31,000 you distribute among the partners and debit their amounts like we did in this case. Now what will happen? Your firm account will get closed, tallied, and then whichever side is more you will debit. See, Arjun's debit is more, so debit by more by 8,500, so we will debit his capital account. Journal entry you will get, adjustment entry you will get from here. Arjun's capital account debit 8,500 to Karan's capital account. From here you will be able to find the adjustment entry. So the entry that I have passed, that is our final answer. This is the journal entry. So this comes often in your final exam. Okay, so please study this thoroughly. I hope you understood, guys, this much today. Hello guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tanaya, Sakshi, Upasna, all. I hope you understood, guys. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Thumbs up. Okay, we will meet in the evening. Yeah, we will meet in the evening also. Right away I am going to text you the question. Very similar question. Beta, you please try to solve that. And in the evening we will solve little difficult ones. They have come in the CBSE exam. So okay, guys, all the best. Take care.
Sir, evening class at what time?
Time 5:30.
Okay, sir.
I will
सर
text you
इवनिंग
5:30 or 6.
सर हम नहीं आ पाएंगे सर।
क्यों?
सर आज हमारे टेस्ट है सर, इको हमारी क्लास है, अब हमारे स्कूल की भी क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई सर। हमारी इको का क्लास होता है सर।
Okay, then tomorrow morning we will meet tomorrow morning 11 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Take care.